Remember we were waiting for a dovish hike? This is the dovish part of the hike we got, okay?
Right
There's
here.
a couple things that are dovish here, and I think Elon really nailed it in a couple respects. And I think you got to take what Elon said in context of what we heard today. The center has shifted towards we're at neutral right now. There are some guys who are leaning. There are guys in the middle, like Rosengren, who still wants to do 3 hikes, but he's in this we are patient camp, and that's where we are right now. I think almost the entire Fed right now is ready to wait and see what happens. Rosengren this morning leaned against the market pessimism and said, I think you're wrong. I think I'm going to end up being right. My optimistic view will prevail. But until we know, I'm on hold. Evans, same thing. I think we're going to do 2 or 3 hikes this year. But right now, I'm ready to wait. That's the message from Powell. That's the message from the minutes. But I do want to highlight one particular line here. Some Fed participants said it was possible to slow the pace of the decline in reserves in approaching the long-run level of reserves. Okay, what does that mean?
It's an important line that we got in the minutes.
Okay, so hats off to Krishna Guha from Evercore ISI, who talked about this first that I read. This idea of tapering the runoff as we near the destination. We don't know where the Fed is going with the balance sheet runoff. The Fed has never officially said. We know that market participants, as surveyed by the Fed, have said $3.5 trillion. We're at 4 now. I think the bottom line is the Fed, as they get near to where some endpoint they're going to, may be possible to slow down the balance sheet runoff as currently configured.
As they get closer to the landing
Right.
strip, the level of descent is going to decline.
Beautiful, Tyler. Can I use that for now and for future references?
Sure.
I'm always looking for a good metaphor
What's
to
his
describe
rate,
this
though?
wonky stuff. That's right. Now, we'll see if that is picked up. In commentary, we have tomorrow from Powell, Clarida, Evans, Bullard. All 4, I think, or may actually be 5 speaking tomorrow. And we'll see if that gets amplified in what's out there. But the Fed has gone from wanting to hike to still wanting to hike, but the operative phrase right now is the Fed is patient.